This short instruction video will show you how to best activate your INUTEQ-DRY cooling vest. First, open the valve cap located on the back of the vest. Now, gently fill the vest with tap water, making sure not to exceed the maximum of 600 milliliters. Close the valve cap and slowly start to distribute the water evenly on the back, the shoulders, and the front of the vest. While you do so, the inner cooling fabric inside the vest absorbs the water for the cooling process. Once the water is evenly distributed, open the valve cap and turn the vest upside down. Gently squeeze any excess water out of the vest into a bowl or into the sink. Close the valve cap and cooling starts immediately. Both the inside and outside of your INUTEQ-DRY cooling vest will remain completely dry.